Okay, Erawan National Park. Let's see what we got. It's gonna be really interesting. 330 baht to get in, and yeah, let's see what we got. Okay, Erawan Waterfalls. So it looks gonna have an interesting trip to see how many levels there are here. I think it's like 7 levels. So we're gonna start at the top and then work downwards, you know. Let's see what I have in entrance and how it works and stuff like that. Stuff like that. Seven levels. Where are we? Oh my god. We're here. We're gonna walk up there. It's gonna be interesting. This is the king, eh? Souvenir shop. Okay, golf car service to the first level of waterfall. We're gonna walk. We're gonna walk. Gonna get back here and take. I think you need like this. What is it called? I have it on my tongue, but I can't remember it. As yeah, it will come to me. But you need something to put on your on yourself so you can swim. I don't even know what it's called. Oh, life vest. There you go. You need a life vest. Okay. But yeah, guys, this is the trip to Erawan Waterfall. 7 levels. Okay, so it's like 2 kilometers to level 7. I don't know if you can see it here. Level 7 is 2,000 meters, so 2 kilometers. Let's have a walk, see how tough it is. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get back and have a shower. 2 kilometers. How much water do I need? I just got this bottle. Let's see. Can always get back, or I think you can buy some water on the way. You have to. So yeah, I love the sound when you come into the jungle in Thailand. So much noise, or it's kind of peaceful, you know. Instead of hearing these cars and the noise of the city, you come here into the jungle, you hear the noise of nature. I mean, it's not noise, right? It's just peaceful sound, vibration. So okay, let's see here. You have waterfall 300 meters, camping site 300 meters. So we are going to the waterfall. This is level 1, I guess. Right, level 1. Anyways, guys, if you're new to this channel, if you are interested in becoming financially independent or financially free, if you would like to become, the best version of yourself, if you want to be able to think, I wouldn't say think it's outside of anything. People say think outside the box. I don't like that. Get a growth mindset, Then this channel is for you. I will take you around the world, and also I will educate people. At least I will try. That's what this channel is for. Educate people to become financially free. While we're on the topic, let's talk about it. What does it mean, and why will you need to be financially free? I mean, first of all, just you have to understand that the concept of money is a mindset. Okay, let's try to do this. So many functionalities with this. Oh, there you go. It's better, right? Anyways, so yeah, as I was saying, money is a mindset. Okay, and to be able to be financially free or independent of any kind of labor that you do, you have to understand how money works. You have to understand the fundamentals of money. You have to understand why we need money, how money circulates. And if you don't understand this, it's going to be hard for you to become financially free. So education is really, really important. And then after that, it's going to take a while for you to, you need to put the effort in to understand it. It's going to take a couple of years, but it's worth it. It's fundamental. It's something that I would say that's something that you can't neglect. It's the same thing with education. Someone goes to university to become a doctor. It's a headache, man. It takes a lot of effort and energy. I would say this is more important because the society actually teaches you to become a specialist in a certain area, and that takes a lot of brain effort. I wouldn't advise you to do that when you can, if you're interested, but that should be something that you do additionally. Oh man, this is good. A good walk. I think I will need more water, man. So yeah, I don't know, this is something I'm developing. I'm thinking about what this channel is gonna be. I've had many thoughts, but it's blended to just show you guys how I live my life and how I'm independent, and that you can also, anyone can be independent. So yeah, talk a little bit more about that later, but let's enjoy the waterfall now and we get back to the education part. Oh man, you can hear the waterfall. It's really loud. Oh, I love the sound, man. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can already feel the excitement. Oh wow. Let's go have a look, man. This is, I guess, level 1, right? And this is where I will take a dip after, when I'm done. I will just come here. Oh, I need a life vest. Oh, they have life vests there. I will take it later. So this is level 1, eh? Oh wow. This place is gorgeous, man. It's wonderful. On the topic of that, I mean, you know, Bitcoin, it's actually, it has a lot of elements on how it works, and one of them is waterfalls. I mean, look at this. Woo! I'm gonna take a bath here. Or is it upstairs? I don't know. Let's have a look, man. It's gonna be really interesting. Oh, it's so nice. Walking, hearing the waterfall. Makes you calm. No stress. You get a good workout. You know? Coupon point, coupon only. I don't know what that is. I would take a life vest here later. Yeah. Anyways, comment what would you like to know, man. You know, what are you interested in when it comes to anything that I talk about in the channel. Traveling, why you need to travel, why you need to be independent, why you need to be financially free, why you need to think a little bit different and not go with the you know, the herd. So okay, here we go. I guess this is the level 1, huh? Okay. Okay, there's monkeys here. I haven't seen one yet. But this is nice. Wow. Okay. I'm just gonna take a minute here, man. It's really nice. Let's sit here for a while, enjoy this, drink a little bit of water. Level 1, huh? People are struggling here. I'm not the one to struggle, but let's see. This is the place. Wow, you can see the fish. I have to show you the fish. Nice workout. Level 7, man. You're gonna be advanced. Oh, this is narrow. Oh, level 3. You know, Bitcoin has had many cycles. We're on the 4th cycle. It's like a waterfall, man. The analogies is interesting, and I will say to everyone that is interested to become independently free from worries of money. I mean, I know so many people, they're highly intelligent, and I worked, I don't work anymore. I worked in a profession that requires a lot of mental energy. So I worked as a software engineer for 11 years or even more, I don't know, professionally 11 years, 12 years. And you require a lot of problem solving skills, think outside the box. I don't like that word, anyways, you know. However, in my career, when I'm talking to people, even people who worked in blockchain, they think it was a while ago. I haven't talked to them yet, but at least a couple of years ago, you know, they didn't understand Bitcoin, and they were like, yeah, Bitcoin doesn't have any future, you know, they will ban Bitcoin, the governments will ban Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will disappear. And right now Bitcoin is over 2 trillion, and any asset that has gone up to 2 trillion in history has never disappeared. So that metric in itself tells you that Bitcoin will not disappear. Bitcoin is here to stay. And what you need to do if you want to be independent from all of these monetary worries, going to work every day, not be able to do what you want to do, Bitcoin is the solution. And you should take a look at it, you know. Oh, this is heavy. This is gonna take all of your energy, man. But it's nice, I like this. It gets your heart going, blood pumping. Yeah, it's like Bitcoin, you know. It goes very high and then it goes down. Yeah. So anybody that is interested to become financially free, or you're interested to change your life, if you're not looking at Bitcoin, you will never be ahead. You will always fall short, man. Oh, I need to take a breath, man. That was hard. Just means how unfit I am. And I need to get back to my fitness level, man. Staying in Sweden, the cold winters, it's hard for me. No sun, no D vitamins. It messes with my brain, man. Okay, guys, gonna catch my breath and then I'll show you a little bit more. I think we're at level 4. People, we made it to level 4. Ok Nang Pisui. I probably butchered that. So this is level 4. Bitcoin is on the 4th cycle. So we made it, man. We made it. Yeah, we made it. Level 4, man. Sit there. Enjoy it. Oh, man. As I was saying, Bitcoin will change your life if you let it. You know, you have to have conviction, you have to believe in it, You have to understand it. You don't need to be afraid of it. You know, Bitcoin is volatile, and that's good. You know, it's volatile, and because of that, you will be able to win. If it wasn't volatile, I mean, you have to think about it. Bitcoin is what it is, and if you understand it, you will not be afraid of it, and then you will not be afraid of the volatility, and you will understand the power of it. It's like a waterfall. You can't stop a waterfall, you can just accept it. You know, you can understand it, you can understand the force, but you can't stop it. You know, you can get it under it and have a nice shower. You know, you can get cleansed, you can get peace. You know, it's all kind of life growing in a waterfall, and yeah, that's what Bitcoin is. If you get under it, it will cleanse you, will purify you, it will give you a break from the system, a system that is broken, a system that doesn't make any sense. And it's been good for a while, but I think coming forward and the future, the system that we have built is not good enough, and Bitcoin is the solution. This is not investment advice. This is what I do, and this is what have given me success in my life. So, you know, get educated, people. Understand what it is. It's 8 billion people in this planet, the Earth, and right now I think it's 500 million, something like that. Don't quote me on that, but I'm just giving you rough numbers. I don't have the exact numbers. Maybe I will pop it up in the screen here. But I mean, you know, people say that you're late to Bitcoin. No, you're not really late to it. You're early. This is the 4th cycle. There's gonna be many cycles after this. So get educated, people. Okay, guys and ladies, hopefully, people, level 5. Oh man, 3 levels to go. 5, 6, 7, huh? Man, look at this. I don't know how they do it. It's really good. Interesting observation. On every level, at least for me, I have to take a break. I'm not the fittest at the moment, but we will get there. However, it's like Bitcoin. On every cycle, man, after a cycle, it has a break. It goes down. Previous 3 cycles, it's been around 60 to 80%. This cycle, I have no idea. But it's good to just take a break. And that's what it is, man. Bitcoin doing its thing. Bitcoin doing its thing. Whew. God damn it. This is hard, people. Yeah. People, we made it. Level 5. This is a nice one. This is probably the nicest of them, I think. I need to see this terrain, man. Stuff. Look at this. We passed level 5. Level 6. We made it to level 6. Oh. Whew. Oh my goodness. This is something else. Wow. Level 6, people. Whew. I can imagine when it's totally dark here. Yeah. Oh wow. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the nicest one until now. Look at this tree, man. Oh.
Just push that button.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not a phone.
No.
People, almost there. Level 7. Woo.
Hey Charlotte,
This
be
is
careful.
level 7. There you go. Can't go higher than that. Okay, so we made it back. I don't know which level we are at, but this is a nice spot, I guess, to conclude the video. I mean, at the end, everyone wants to get ahead, and working the rest of your life is never gonna make you, ahead, because the system is not worked for you, it's working against you, it's not made for you. And Bitcoin is the changing factor. So if you're not educated at that, if you don't understand it, you will be left behind. It's as simple as that. So people, get educated. If you want to know more, add my Twitter, therajushahi.com, my website. And yeah, I would recommend you to watch Michael Saylor's video about the waterfall and the power of Bitcoin and the similarities with the energy and the flow of the waterfall. So yeah, get educated, people. See ya. Take care.